Dehradun today witnessed a historic sight. Ex-servicemen, the proud defender of our nation, turning out in unprecedented large number for a silent march demanding justice for Ankita Bhandari. It was so moving to see army veterans marching not for their own rights but for a daughter's justice. This is believed to be the first time the people of Tum have seen ex-servicemen protest in such massive number for a cause that isn't their own. This morning, today around 11:30 am, the Gaurav Sinani ex-serviceman and ex-paramilitary association led a silent march from Dehradun's parade ground. Ex-servicemen association today are doing a silent march from parade ground, asking for justice to Ankita Bhandari. As you can see here, they are wearing blacks. They all are wearing blacks. Even the posters are in black, marking a solidarity with the family of Ankita Bhandari. You can see here, there are lots of people, all are from ex-army background. They just have one demand: justice for Ankita Bhandari. The procession was a poignant display of solidarity. No chants, no slogan, just banners that spoke volumes.
देखिए, मैं कर्नल देवरानी और जो एक पूर्व सैनिक हूँ, मैं और पूर्व सैनिक के साथ साथ मैं एक पिता हूँ। और इसीलिए ये जो जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर, जितने हमारे पूर्व सैनिक यहाँ पर आए हैं, एक पिता बनकर आए, एक पूर्व सैनिक बनकर आए और एक उत्तराखंड का जनमानस बन के आए। आज उत्तराखंड की बेटी अंकिता जो है, जिस तरह से कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार के मंत्री और संतरी सारे इसमें संलिप्त है, लेकिन आज भी उसको न्याय नहीं मिला। इसलिए हमने ये डिसाइड किया, सारे पूर्व सैनिकों ने, जिसमें मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ अपने गौरव सेनानियों का, कि एक साथ मिलकर हमने इस सरकार को जगाने का प्रयास किया है कि हम मौन रहकर हम अपना जो है आंदोलन करेंगे। मौन रहकर हम आपको ये सिखाना चाहते हैं कि आपने इस बेटी को अभी तक जो नजरअंदाज किया है, कब उसको आप न्याय देंगे? आपकी आंखों से शर्म कब हटेगी? कब आप इस कुंभकर्णी नींद से जागोगे? अफसोस आता है कि आप संतरी मंत्री सारे आप सचिवालय में एयर कंडीशन रूम में बैठे हुए, लेकिन अभी कभी आपने देखा उस गरीब लड़की की माँ बाप की कौन सुनने वाला है? आखिर उसको कब न्याय मिलेगा? कब वो जालिम वीआईपी जो है जेल के अंदर जाएगा? इस तरह के, इसीलिए आज जब पूर्व सैनिक जाग चुका है, रोड पे आ चुका है, तो एक शपथ की सरकार को हम जरूर सिखाने का प्रयास करेंगे और हमारी बेटी को जरूर हम न्याय दिलाने का प्रयास करेंगे।
हाल ही में जो खुलासे हुए हैं, नए वीआईपी का नाम भी सामने आया, क्या आपको लगता है कि सरकार कहीं ना कहीं वीआईपी को बचाने के लिए कुछ काम कर रही है?
ये शुरू से ही होता आ रहा है। जब अंकिता का जो व्हाट्सएप मैसेज था 17 तारीख को, उसमें देखा गया था कि उसको प्रेशर डाला जा रहा है कि एक वीआईपी को विशेष जो है सेवा देनी है। विशेष सेवा क्या मतलब है? 19 साल की बच्ची से, और वो वीआईपी कौन था? क्यों उसको छुपाया जा रहा है? इस सब जो पुलिस विभाग है, जो एसआईटी जांच हुई थी, ये इसमें हम एक बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह है। इन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं इसको छुपाने का प्रयास किया और वीआईपी को बचाने का प्रयास किया है। और अब इन्हीं के मंत्री की जो है पत्नी चीख चीख के बोल रही है कि वीआईपी गट्टू फट्टू और भट्टू, इनको क्यों जेल की सजा नहीं दी जा रही है? इस पर क्यों मनन नहीं किया जा रहा है? इसको क्यों जो है सरकार इनको लाए और इनका नार्को टेस्ट करा करके इनकी हकीकत सामने लाए।
Ex-servicemen march have started. They are walking silently towards the Naval headquarters. From there, they'll stop their march again to the parade ground from where they started. They are saying it's to get justice to Ankita Bhandari. A new revelation again ignited a firestorm in Uttarakhand politics. Urmila Sanabar today reached Dehradun. Supposed to get a call from SIT. SIT will talk to her and investigate about the recordings which she has posted in the social media. Yesterday, CM Pushkar Singh Dhami has done a press conference and he said that he will talk to the parents of Ankita Bhandari, and if they want he is ready for any kind of inquiry. In between, ex-servicemen also decided to march silently to get justice to Ankita Bhandari.
You know, as is very, very evident from the banners, you see what has been written on the banners. That Uttarakhand today feels disgraced. And Ankita, the daughter of the hills, the daughter of the mountains, we are her family. That is what we want to essentially tell the entire society and the government of Uttarakhand and the government of India, that we stand by our daughters. We are the people who defend the country, right? And if we, when we retire from service, if we cannot defend and stand for our own daughters and for our own women, then what good is it? We are going to put all our experience and all the energy which we have in us to stand by our women and to stand by such girls of the hills and mountains who get exploited by corrupt, by such politicians who use them to essentially satisfy their lust.
Sir, government is constantly denying that there is no need for CBI investigation and saying that the court has already rejected it. What's your say on that?
What are you saying, my dear? My point is the government will continue to say this. The point is that when the police force, which essentially constituted the SIT, is under the government of Uttarakhand, then how do you think that truth is going to come from there? When evidence gets destroyed, that is the first and the most critical evidence, and it is an indication of the fact that the government is hand in glove and is complicit in defending the people who were the main perpetrators of this. The three who have been put into jail behind the bars for life imprisonment, they were essentially the conduits, the main people who were the motivation for this heinous murder to take place were the politicians who have been named and whom the government of Uttarakhand is trying to defend. Whenever justice is denied anywhere, be rest assured that injustice will be everywhere. That is what I want to say.
Just one last question. Ankita is considered as a state of army personnel. What do you have to say to people of army from across the state, not just in Dehradun? What do you have to say?
I want to tell them we all stand in solidarity. The entire armed forces of the country, they stand in solidarity whenever law is threatened, whenever society feels threatened and vulnerable. They all stand together. There is no question of anybody else from the other states of Uttarakhand feeling differently. In fact, this is a global phenomena with the armed forces personnel, that they stand for what is right, they stand for justice.
The ex-servicemen are doing a silent march. They started their walk from parade ground. They are marching towards Bahal Chowk. From there, they'll go to naval headquarters, and then they'll go back again to parade ground where they'll stop their march. This is a silent march, as they are saying. They have posters, banners in their hand. You see, Uttarakhand आज शर्मार है, अंकिता बेटी हमका हम परिवार हैं. That's what their banner is saying. It's a silent march they are doing. In Uttarakhand, you will see many of army personnel. They have decided to march to get justice to Ankita Bhandari. In a significant move, the Veterans Group announced that a letter signed by more than 1,000 former service personnel is being sent by registered post to the Honorable Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. The letter seeks a CBI investigation under the supervision of a sitting Supreme Court judge, citing fresh evidence that has emerged even after the trial court's verdict. Protesters said that the demand is not political but constitutional and stressed that only an independent probe can restore public confidence.
मैं आज के इस शोक मार्च के आयोजन के लिए गौरव सेनानी एसोसिएशन, जिन्होंने इसका प्रबंधन और संचालन किया है, उनके प्रति अपनी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता हूं और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोग इसी तरीके से जब किसी भी सार्वजनिक सरोकार के लिए जो है वो मांग दी जाती है, तो आप लोग एकत्रित होकर के अपनी संगठन की शक्ति और संघीय शक्ति इस पर विश्वास रखते हुए एकत्रित हों। मेरी दीदी मेरी भूलियों आपका प्रति मेरू खास 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 प्रणाम छ। आप लोग जबरदस्त छ। आप लोगों ने हमारी माँ ने हमारी बेटी जो छ वी का वास्ता जो आज अपन त्याग करी यक हम देखते हैं हम लोग कब भी नहीं कर सकते अपना जिंदगी। तो दीदियों बहुत बहुत प्रणाम आपसे। इन्हीं आप लोग अगर हमारा समर्थन कर ला अगर अपना सहयोग देला तो हमारी शक्ति जो छ वो दिन दुनी रात चौगुनी हो जाएगी।
As the sun sets on Dehradun, the demand for justice in the Ankita Bhandari murder case grows louder. Will the government heed the call for these veterans and the people of Uttarakhand? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, the fight for truth continues.
भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! सैनिक एकता जिंदाबाद! सैनिक एकता जिंदाबाद! सैनिक एकता जिंदाबाद! जय उत्तराखंड!